How to make a text look 3D in Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then go to the 9 dots in the top right corner and then head over to your slides. Now, once your Google Slides open up, choose a presentation that you want to work on and then go to a slide. Now, you can insert anything here. I am inserting word art. So I will put in something. And now to make it look 3D, I'll go to Format Options and then tap on Drop Shadow and then increase the opacity. Now I can even change the angle if I want to and then increase the distance. Now you can see that the text kind of looks 3D. So you can increase or decrease the blur radius as well and change the color according to your wish. So that's it. That's how you make your text look 3D in Google Slides. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.